Yeah. Tayo si Joseph. Let's go to Joseph.
No.
Yeah.
Let's finish our Kev. Tara.
Finish our lobby.
Katapos ko.
Tara. Kuya si Kalite ko niya.
Gusto mo maalala ka ni Joseph na ganyan? Oo.
You can stay and that finish what tinatawag ni Kuya. You can stay here hanggat hindi siya tinatawag ni Kuya.
Ikaw. Nikki. 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 Nikki.
Hoy. Hoy. Pag-ilap ka. Ito actually, ito strike. Nick. Nick. Hoy, natawa ko. Sige ka. Kung ako may mulakang hila ka sa bagong tikaw. Sige na, diba? Natuwa siya dito. Hoy. Lakad ta. Sige na, strong ka pa bitaw, sure. Nick. Ay, naghilak. May musik po, no? Sige na, naghilak. La, di ta maghilak-hilak eh. Nakaw na ng tawag. Sige ta, hilak-hilak. Tala. La, sige na. Ali. Yeah. Tara. Let's not be sad.
Huh?
He doesn't want us to see us.
Sinabi ni Kuya kailan.
La, sige na.
Masanay na tayo sa ganito.
Palugas.
Masanay na tayo sa ganito.
Ay, naghilak. Ako may mula ka kayong hila ha. Kasi bagong gunti ka. Yung bisdak na amiga.
Kailangan natin ipalit.
Naghilak. Ato tayo Joseph. Ha? O pag-hood kini. Kay cute ka mag-hood. Asa. Mulan. Asa may gusto. Uy, hulat. Dala ni Joseph. Oh. Sige na. Ay, naghilak. La, sige. Oh, come on. Ano mo goal. Sige na, come on, Valerie.
Later na. Nagkisa lang.
No, we don't need to be this way because Joseph doesn't want us to see this way. Come on.
Ay, asa mo?
I'll talk to Joseph. La.
Masaya na tayo sa ganito.
Ilong din mo. Okay na sila. Chinas, kaya na sila. Dito, gaulat niya mo. Nako, ganti ka. It's good.
Joseph. Wow.
my best to talk to you, Tito. Wala siya nagsasalita. Yate na niya yung marina. Dito na.
Beauty.
Natawa na ko no. Dili pa, goodbye. Dili pa. Nagila. Dili pa. Dili pa, goodbye. Diba? Di good boy, ha?
Di ba? Tuwing every Saturday nga, hihintayin ko kayo dito sa labas eh.
Nikki. Nikki.
We're going to party after. Party every Saturday night. Oh, it's I'm Green Hills.
Sure?
Yeah.
It's not yet sure. Oh, mamigay pa mo Rona. It's getting harder and harder and harder that I get the pressure because I know everything. Yet tapos I didn't. My best is not enough to stay to let her tita stay, and I did my.
Yeah. Let's get used to it.
No, I tried my best, but my best wasn't enough.
You know why? Because it's God's plan, Beauty. It's God's plan. No one can stop God's plan.
Yes.
Plan niya yun.
Yeah, I tried my best to talk to her, pero she
Bago na
doesn't
naman
understand.
sila, meron na naman
You know, guilty.
No, excuse me. Excuse me.
I hate to die.
Excuse me. Come to think of it, it's God's plan, so we can do anything with it. It's God's plan. It's greater than
If
we.
you were, I wish ikaw na rin ato dito. Isulti siya dito.
Let us see role as a friend. Let us see role as a friend. But it's God's plan. Ibig sabihin kung God's plan greater than winning TBB. Greater than being the big four. Greater than being the grand winner.
Am I a bad person that I can't talk to her?